Howdy folks, and welcome to this edition of the Hillbilly Kitchen Tuesday Talk. It's actually on Tuesday. This is the Tuesday after Christmas and before New Year's, and this video is just to say thank you. I know I have said this before, that the kindness and the love and the support that y'all have shown me and my family this year has been absolutely overwhelming, and I just don't have words to express it. I really don't have words to express it. When Jesus told us to love one another, you all have certainly done that for us this year. And all of your prayers and all that you have given us, it really has made this far, far easier. And it's not just about the cards, which we are up to almost 400 now, I think, or the gifts, but it's about all of the love and the prayers that came with this. With that being said, I did want to show you all that has come and say thank you to some folks. I wish I could go through every single card and read off every single name, but obviously this video would be a week long if I read off 500 cards, or 400 cards. And it may be a little bit more than that, I'm not sure. So here they all are. We tried to organize them and keep them in these so that we would know who we had returned one to and who we hadn't. And if you have a return address on here, we have sent out a card to everyone who has sent a card. And I expect they will keep coming in until the end of January and probably on up into February, and I will keep returning them. I appreciate it so much that I really feel like it needs to be returned. There were a lot of you who sent stuff after Brett passed, and I tried to at least get a card to every one of you. There were a lot of people who I didn't have a return address for, so I could not do that. And several of you, I'm not sure how many now, it's over 20 though, have made gifts on Square. And I've got to email all of you. I do have email addresses, but I don't have addresses for you, and I'm sorry I haven't already done that. But you can see I have been busy replying to people, and I am extremely touched by the generosity of folks who have donated on Square and given gifts on Square. And I promise you I'm going to get to those. I do appreciate it, and I do want to thank you all personally for that. A lot of people sent stuff, and I want to show you some of the stuff they sent, especially some of the stuff maybe that's homemade. This here is an angel blanket, and I don't know if angel blanket is something that somebody ordered something through, or if the person who has angel blankets actually sent this. But they do personal blankets, and they're really, really soft, and it is individually made. So whoever sent that, if it was Angel Blankets or someone who ordered it from Angel Blankets, thank you so much. This is from Linda and John, and she made this. It's a wooden Christmas ornament, and she sent a stand to go with it, and she also made this little cross with it. I got several calendars. This one is from Hawaii. I think I actually got 2 calendars from Hawaii. Jennifer does inspired paintings, and she sent me her book that has all of her prints in them, and she also sent me a painting. So thank you very much, Jennifer. And this was made just for me. It's Standing in His Presence is the name of this one. Gosh. Mary Ann sent these. I thought they were really cute. It's measuring spoons, and they have little encouragements in them. Be kind, measure blessings, love without measure. So those were really cute. Kathy sent me some sock slippers, and there's a very fuzzy blanket. So thank you, Kathy. And Deborah sent me some of her apple butter. Remember, she sent the stuff for the kids at Thanksgiving, the little toys that they played with. And I told y'all this makes beautiful gifts. Doris sent me an electric candle and this really pretty Christmas ornament and some socks and some gardening gloves. Raymond and Monica, they sent a gift right after Brett passed, and they also sent Amazon gift cards for everybody. They sent 6 of them, and I did pass those out on Christmas Eve when we all got together as a family, and I think most of the kids and the grandkids have already spent theirs. I got a few gift cards for Christmas. I got this one, and I also got one from Vanessa, and she sent me some other stuff. She sent me a basket of goodies, and I thought this was just adorable, but it's just all filled with Christmas goodies. And she sent me some Burt's Bees stuff. And Vanessa and Larry have just been such good friends through all of this, and I actually met them through the Hillbilly Kitchen, and they kind of became really good friends as part of the Hillbilly Kitchen, and they have been praying and sending little messages of encouragement and stuff, so thank you so much for that. She also sent a little angel to go on the tree in memory of Brett, and I did put that on there. Oh, and my friend Laura down at Mike's here in town, she's a big Hillbilly Kitchen fan. She got me this stuff, and when I saw this, Miss Jones, I loved it, because if I decide to get dressed up in something that's hard to conceal in, I can still take my new toy with me. So thank you. That I love that. And you know, you don't have to worry about dropping it, or it would be very hard for somebody to grab it. So thank you for that, Miss Jones. And she also sent me, or got me, this Bible study journal for women. And some chocolate. I wanted to show y'all these two. Tammy made just bags and bags and bags of this stuff. And some of it the kids took on Christmas Eve when we got together. And some of it I will make sure that his brothers and sisters and cousins and friends get. I just haven't had time to pass them out, but she did all these in memory of Brett. There's some little bookmarks and some little crosses with a little prayer in them, and some keychains that have little crosses on them. And she said to make sure all the people in Brett's life got those. And Tammy, I will do that. I just haven't had time to do it yet. I've been very overwhelmed. I think that's the Christmas gifts, and like I said, these are all the cards. I'd like to show you every single card, but I just can't. I did get a letter this week, and I've had a lot of comments, people who want to know how to start a YouTube channel. And I think some people kind of think it's like a job you apply for. It's not a job you apply for, but in probably the very next Tuesday talk, I'm going to address how to start your own YouTube channel, and some of the things that you need to do and some of the things you definitely don't need to do. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click the notification bell so you will know when we upload that, or just come back and check in a couple of weeks, and it should be up within the next couple of weeks. It has changed a lot since I started on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for almost 7 years now, I think. So a lot of stuff has changed. Like how you get paid has actually changed a lot over the years. But anyway, I'll cover all that in the next Tuesday talk. And Miss Jones and several other people have asked about this little cooktop that I have in the counter over here. And I'm going to go over that in a Tuesday talk sometime in January. So if you're interested in putting a little cooktop in your kitchen that maybe is gas or even an electric one, kind of tune into that, and I'll cover some of the stuff that I did to put that in. And a lot of people have asked about this particular brand. I wouldn't go overboard recommending it. I don't even think it has a brand. It was the cheapest one I could get. But anyway, that's another Tuesday talk too. I just want to thank you all again so much. And I want to wish you all a very happy new year. And I hope your new year is truly filled with that peace that passes all understanding that comes when you know Jesus Christ as your Savior and when you have God in the center of your life. If you have not already, please don't forget to click like and subscribe before you leave. And thank you all again for all of your love, all of your support, all of your prayers, and thank you for being a part of the Hillbilly Kitchen family. Until next time, remember to put God first.